Welcome to Let's Talk About It. I'm about to go to the gym, try to work out, get that heart right. But welcome, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. But like I said, I'm still looking for an intro. Anything you guys like to talk about, DM me at GoGreen19, and let's get right into it. Today we're gonna be talking about cinnamon. So I want to get this out there to you guys. Cinnamon right here. Cinnamon. You see that? Okay. The proper cinnamon to have is Ceylon cinnamon, but don't worry about yourself. Get yourself some cinnamon because this works just as good, and I'll tell you why. All right, cinnamon, the benefits. I'm going to give you a couple benefits of cinnamon, and then from there you guys can look it up, and it's mad more benefits. This is a monster. This is a must-have in your teas and things like that. It's a must-have to me for every day. So let's get right into it. So the benefits of it has antioxidants in it. So we all know what that is. Viral bacteria. Okay. They also support gut health. So anything about no gut health, everything starts in the gut. All illnesses pretty much starts in the gut with inflammation. So it has that. It cuts belly fat. Once again, you're trying to lose that little extra pounds or extra look in your stomach. A lot of guys that work out, it helps with that. It helps with managing your blood pressure. So you got high blood pressure, it helps managing that. Yes, it will help you managing your blood pressure. It will lower your blood pressure. You mix cayenne pepper and some cinnamon, it'll lower your blood pressure. It'll start regulating it. So check your blood pressure. See if it's high or whatever the case may be. Drink or see what it is. Drink some cayenne and some cinnamon tea. Once you drink that, then check it. A few minutes later, check it. I guarantee it'll be the same or it's going to go down. Okay? And for people that's a diabetic, it lowers your blood sugar, regulates your blood sugar, helps the risk of type 2 diabetes. It also helps with belly fat. I say that again, belly fat. Type 2 diabetes and diabetes is from fat. A lot of times, stored fat that's not being used. So therefore, we have to get that under control. You know what I'm saying? It helps with the heart. Helps with the heart, healthy heart also. And it cuts the risk of heart disease as well. So, and reduce belly fat. So when this happens right here, it also acts as an insulin also. So once it acts as an insulin, what we have to do as people, this is stuff we have to treat ourselves. We have to treat ourselves as a medical profession. Okay, I'm not a doctor, not at all. I'm not trying to be a doctor or anything like that. But what I do know is how to heal yourself. What I do know, you can heal yourself at home. What I do know is that cinnamon will help you with your diabetes as well as your high blood pressure. What I do know that it will help you with your gut. And these are things that I do know as well as the doctors knows as well. If you look it up, WebMD, doctors, online, anything that I tell you, I back it up with facts. Anything that I tell you, I encourage you to look it up yourself. Don't take my word for it. I'm just a guy with a camera that's on here. I could be lying to you. I could be telling you all different type of stuff. That's what I be telling people. Don't take my word for it. Study for yourself. Like I said, pray on it. Study for yourself, and I'm guaranteeing that it will help. It's going to help. Hit that like and subscribe button too. So, anything y'all want to talk about, like I said, DM me on GoGreen19. I'm going to always give out one herb a day. Not a day, one herb a week that you can take, that you can do, that you can help yourself with, an herb that you can get to. And I'm going to start breaking down how to heal yourself from diabetes, how to heal yourself from cancer, how you heal yourself from high blood pressure and things like that. So like I said, support the page. I want to go live. I may go live on IG one day and bring some people up. So listen, like I said, get yourself right. Health is wealth. Get it right. Get that gut right. Get that heart right. At night, I encourage y'all to get your lymphatic system going during the day. Do some jumping jacks. Run in place for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Get a trampoline, jump up and down. You have to break a sweat. If you break a sweat, your lymphatic system starts to starts to move, and you start to move all that bad bacteria and things like that. And like I said, I'm not the smartest person on the planet, but I'm far from the dumbest. Okay, like if anybody out there in the comments or anybody out there in the world that can help me, and I'm always willing to listen and learn. I don't know it all. I'm always willing to listen and learn. But what I do know, I'm a vessel of God, and I'm trying to get this out to you guys. So, with that being said, get yourself some cinnamon, and let's get it done. And let's build this page up to 1,000 followers. I only can do it with you guys. So I love each and every one of you guys. And shout out. I'm out of here. Peace. Make sure you get some cinnamon tea today. If you got high blood pressure or you have diabetes, make sure you get you some cinnamon tea today. Peace.